Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find save a reel on Instagram. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on your profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the three lines icon, this one. And then you can click on the save. And if you wanna see your and after this you can click on the all post. And then in here, if you wanna see just reel, so you just click on this reel icon at the top and finish. In here you can find a save reel on your Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.